Pull up the water hose and fasten the safety buckle to connect it to the folding seat. Place the decorative ring onto the handlebar seat. Then insert the handlebar seat into the water expansion. Tube and finally tighten the 4 handlebar seat screws. Flip the instrument panel to a suitable viewing. Angle and tighten the 4 instrument panel screws. Open the lock protection cover. Insert the key into the keyhole. Open the lock and then pull up the foot pedal handle to remove the battery. Open the instrument panel, check if it is powered on, and check if all functions are abnormal. Gear switching. Lamp switch. Throttle. Front brake lever. Rear brake lever. Open the safety buckle, fold the water expansion tube. And finally cover the hook buckle on the handlebar. Seat with the hook on the rear mudboard.